Hey guys, so the Xiaomi Mi 11 series is now official and so is the Mi 11 Ultra. The real king, real innovation, and it is a monster for sure. So it comes in ceramic body design and has got a huge camera system. There's a Samsung GN2 which is a nice and massive sensor, IMX586 120x periscope camera and IMX586 super wide lens. Yeah, this camera system is the main highlight of this phone, a camera which you can trust in terms of daylight or night images, in terms of 8K videos, and also in terms of 1920 FPS slow motion videos. That is awesome for sure. It has got OIS, that is optical image stabilization, 8P lens, and a periscope camera too which can do 120x zoom. So here are some camera samples and they look really good. The colors, details, you can see the perfection in there. In addition to this, Xiaomi has also added multi-camera feature which uses all the cameras at same time. So front, super wide, periscope and main to shoot some exciting images. Yeah, there is also a small display. It has got different functions like selfies, battery infographic, time. Yeah, it's like a tiny smartphone display which you can also use in time of emergency. Cool for sure. The Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra has got a massive 6.8-inch display, 1440p 120Hz panel, a huge 5000 mAh battery which supports 67 watts fast wired and 67 watts wireless charging, and stereo speakers to the bottom. In addition to this, there is IP68 water and dust protection, Snapdragon 888 CPU which no shocker makes it a real flagship device. Xiaomi along with this also made a Pro variant official which is not so expensive and got really cool features like new cooling mechanism, huge battery, new camera system at an amazing price. So this new device comes with a 6.8 inches display and has got all the high-end flagship features like 120Hz 1440p panel, Gorilla Glass Victus and amazing color options. There is a hole puncher on top left corner which is really small, and yeah, you can say the body language is similar to the Xiaomi Mi 11. The huge change comes in the thickness. It's a little thicker than the Xiaomi Mi 11, that's cause of a huge 5000 mAh battery, but also the all new Samsung GN2 camera system it has inside. So yeah, even the cheaper Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro also comes with an amazing new Samsung GN2, can shoot some mind-blowing images and videos. Yeah, again in this one also Xiaomi has added IP68 which is water and dust protection, so really nice initiative. This all with flagship 888 5G CPU makes it an amazing device. So now the moment you all were waiting for, the Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro starts just at 49.99 yuan. That is an insane price check for the specifications you are getting. The Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra starts at 59.99 yuan, which is a mind-blowing price. You can check the S21 Ultra and iPhone 12 Pro Max price. You can select a free power brick package or you can select a non-power brick package to save the environment and all. So a charge is not an issue. And this all guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.